Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script for first day after summer vacation. All mankind is divided into three classes: those that are immovable, those that are movable, and those that move. And obvious, we belong to last one, so let us keep moving forward because new doors are open to do new things. With this, a very hearty morning to all, and on behalf of Ashoka House, I am Meenakshi Chaudhary. Welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Dear all, do you know the best and wonderful part about life is we can't go backwards. We are moving forward. After a long gap, we return to school. So keep moving forward, open new doors, and do new things. Let us take blessings from the Almighty and start our morning. So, everybody, join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, we are proud to be an Indian. Pledge reminds us of our responsibilities towards our country and motherland. It instills a sense of patriotism amongst us. Let us take an oath to maintain peace, unity, and brotherhood. For this, I would like to invite on stage Rachit from class 8th. Thank you, Rachit. And after pledge, our life itself is a journey that is all about improving ourselves every day. With every dawn, every moment, life brings us an opportunity to learn something new. So keep moving, and next I would like to invite on stage Shreya from class 8 for an inspirational thought. Good morning to all. My name is Shreya. Thought of the day is: inaction breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. If you want to conquer fear, do not sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Shreya. There are many good and bad things happening in our community and the rest of the world as well. Reading news helps us to learn something new every day, but in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Let's get know today's news with Rubina from class 8th. Thank you very much, Rubina, for today's news update. A teacher's job is not only to teach us but to guide us and mold us, not just into a better student, but into a better person entirely. And we are truly blessed to have such amazing teachers in our life. And I would like to invite on stage Mrs. Vamika ma'am to say few words on the first day of our school. Thank you very much, ma'am. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. And birthdays are among the most awaited day for all the children. And next, I would like to invite on stage those who are having their birthdays today. And after the birthday song, thank you very much to all of you. What is motivation? Motivation causes us to get up in the morning and go to work. It drives us to study new things, and it encourages us to try again when we fail. And listening motivational stories are good way to stay motivated. They inspire us to never give up. For such motivational story, I would like to invite on stage Kabir from class 8. Thank you so much, Kabir, for such a motivational story. The more words we know, the better we understand the things. Effective vocabulary is so important. Each new word we learn gets placed into our long-term memory. And now, let us add a new word in our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite on stage Mayank from class 8. Thank you very much, Mayank, for enhancing our vocabulary. And now I would like to invite our honorable and dignified principal sir onto the stage to give us inspiration and boost our motivation. And after this speech, thank you very much, sir, for your motivational and valuable words. And after national anthem, let us begin our journey again, and I would like to end with: start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, and best wishes to all. Today's assembly is over. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.